The first one is Marxism and the other one is feminism. Functionalism, everything has positive impact. Conflict approach, we have two further approach, Marxism and feminism. Marxism is like we have capital inequality, okay, class inequality. Feminism, we have a gender inequality. I told you conflict mean that there is a problem in our structuralism. There are some kind of issues in our powerful institutions. If we talk about feminism, the feminism said that human rights are the women rights are nowhere because of these powerful institutions. Mean again they are talking about some kind of a conflict. Okay, some people say that there is an issue in these powerful institutions.
Yeah.
What is the ideology behind the feminism, Sharis? Patriarchy. They normally said male is dominant in that society, which they are in a position and they don't give rights to the woman. Mean they are finding some kind of problem in the existing structuralism. But whenever we talk about Marxism, Marxism is class inequality. We are talking about capital. Okay, the capital mean people who have, like Shares for you, who are the billionaires. Okay, they hire some people, for example, for 8 hours you have to work for them. They will give you just 40,000, and this is not enough because they have decided their salaries. Why they are in a position to decide someone's salaries? Is 8 hours just for the whole month. They spend 8 hours. Mean like 10 hours they give to the company and they just earn 40,000. Okay, and on the other hand, companies are earning billion and billion. I mean, is that kind of a justice or not? So some people think like that. This is known as Marxism. Capital inequality and gender inequality. That comes into the headings of conflict, but the people who are okay, fine and equal and the agree, they are stabilized, comes into the functionalism. If I ask one question to you, Hamza.
Is it functionalism consensus or is it?
Yes, these are the consensus, and the other ones
Feminism and
conflicts.
yeah,
Both are conflicts. Okay, functionalism has a positive impact. These two approaches has a negative impact on the society because you have to divide the society.
Yeah.
Okay, one are getting more and other one is getting less. Okay, so if I ask you, Hamza and Charez, what is the basic ideology you are finding between consensus and the conflict?
Consensus is like more stable.
No, the basic ideology between both of them. Now you can find either it consensus or the conflict. Both are driving the human actions.
Yeah.
If you are feminist, you will behave accordingly. If you are Marxism follower, you will think accordingly. And if you are in a position like functionally, we will say Islam is giving everything to everyone,
Yeah.
then that's full stop. Okay.